Ever wondered why the author of the book of Proverbs in the 7th verse of the 23rd chapter said, "As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he"? Well, if you were to ask me, I think the writer had a good understanding of vision boarding and its impact on the mind. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to create a vision board. A vision board is essentially a physical or digital manifestation of your goals. It serves as a visual reminder of the goals that you want to achieve. In a blog post on how to pursue your dreams the right way and win, one of the points highlighted was to recognize that your dream will not come to you instantly or without intentionality. Thus, you have to prepare the land and make sure that it is good soil. If you have not yet read the aforementioned article, you can find a link in the description section for it. One of the ways to prepare the land is through vision boarding. Before we dive deep into vision boarding, give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe if you're new here. Let's get started. A vision board helps you to visualize your goals, track your progress, and stay motivated the entire year. The first step to creating a good vision board is to purposefully set aside time to do it. Close the doors to the noise and distractions around you and look within. 1. Create a list of goals you'd like to achieve for the year or quarter or whatever time frame works for you. Just make sure it is time bound. If you have difficulties identifying them, try listing out what you don't want, then flipping it. The goals could be spiritual, relationship, financial goals, or whatever you so desire. Once you're done identifying your vision or goals, the second step is to 2. Break down your goal into actions and specific outcomes. This will help to give you clarity on what you want and also identify which pictures to use for your vision board. The next step is to phrase your outcomes as questions and attach to your vision board. A goal like save 1 million this year can be rephrased as how can I save 1 million this year? And 4. Find pictures that represent your goals to inspire you. You could get pictures online or print from old magazines. Make sure the pictures are in alignment to the goals and expected outcome as per your question. Make a collage out of your photos. Arrange the pictures on your board, move them around until you feel inspired by how your board looks. Enjoy the process and feel the fun. Do not glue anything until you are sure of the arrangement. 5. Drop 1 or 2 motivational affirmations that represent how you want to feel when looking at your board to keep it inspirational. And 6. Find a place to put your board such that it serves as a good source of daily inspiration. As long as it depends on you, make it a daily routine to contemplate on your vision board. Do you know that you could have a desktop version of your vision board which doubles as your desktop background? Yeah, all that has been explained so far can be done using tools like Canva and Pinterest. It is good to have both a physical and a digital vision board. They both complement each other and have different ways of communicating the same thing. If you found this video informative, please click the like button so that others can have the opportunity to watch, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not done so. You should also share this to bless your contacts on social media. Enjoy your vision boarding. Thank you for watching, and until next time, best tech remains your best bet.